Welcome to Linux Help. In today's session we are going to see how to install Steam on Ubuntu 22.04. Steam is a digital distribution service and storefront for video games, operated by Valve Corporation. Initially launched as a software client in September 2003 to facilitate automatic game updates for Valve's titles, it later expanded to include third-party games in late 2005. Steam provides a range of features, including game server matchmaking supported by Valve anti-cheat measures, social networking capabilities, and game streaming services. The functionalities of the Steam client encompass automated game updates, cloud storage for preserving game progress, and community features such as direct messaging, in-game overlay options, and a marketplace for virtual collectibles. Check the OS version using the following command. I am using Ubuntu 22.04. Check for updates using the following command. Upgrade the package list using the following command. After upgrading the package list, add the multiverse repository using the following command. Press Enter to continue. After adding repository, install Steam package using the following command. Press Y to continue. After installation process, to configure and log into Steam account, use the following command. Wait for the updation process to complete. After the updation process, we will find a Steam login page, where we can log into Steam account, or if we don't have account we need to create new account. Create new account with our mail ID and click on Continue. We have successfully installed Steam on Ubuntu 22.04. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.